In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to work elongated stitches in knitting. To begin, I have one stitch already knit on my needle because I find that the first stitch looks best if it's got a regular knit there. On the second stitch and every other stitch across the row, I'm going to insert my needle for knitting, wrap the yarn 2 times around the right hand needle, and bring that through. So you'll notice I have 2 loops here on the needle instead of just my usual 1. Go in, wrap, wrap, come through. So instead of wrapping that yarn 1 time, I'm wrapping twice for every stitch on the needle. Some patterns might call for 3 wraps around the needle. That will make an extra long stitch. That's fine, just follow your pattern. So that's the English style of working the knits, and you'll finish the row that way. If you're a continental knitter, you're going to insert your needle, wrap once, wrap twice, bring through. So same thing, wrap 1, 2, through. In, 1, 2, through, until you get to the end of the row. I started with about 14 stitches on my needles, and so here when I get to the end, it will look like I have 28 stitches. Well, 27 if you count that as a single. So it looks like I have a lot more stitches on my needle. When I go to work the very next row, I'm only going to work into the first loop of that double stitch. So notice I'm putting my needle in here. I'm going to wrap my yarn for knit and come through and pull off the second loop as well. So I'm going into this doubled loop once. And that's what creates this elongated stitch. So let me show you English style. You go into just the first leg, wrap a single time, bring your needle through for knit, and then take off both loops of that same stitch. And what that does is it creates an elongated stitch here in the fabric. All right, so again, you're going to go across the row, knit into the first loop only, letting the second loop drop off the needle as you are working. And if you're on circular needles, sometimes these loops get caught up at the end right here. They get a little tight and hard to move. What I have found is that if you can kind of bunch them together into one big group and push them up in one shot, that's helpful. So the less you spread these stitches apart, don't do this. Try to keep them grouped together as they go over the hump in your knitting needle, and that will help them move over that hump more quickly. So let me finish this row. I'm working continental style. My last stitch here is a single stitch, of course, and you'll notice my last stitch sort of matches the height of the others, even though it was only worked with 1 wrap. But this is the elongated stitch. Happy knitting!